What's up, guys? Jalen here, Straight Edge Landscaping. Today we're in Maynard, Texas, working on a sod installation. So right now we just ran the sod cutter. We're getting out all the old grass, taking out about 2 inches of soil. We're gonna come back in with some fresh soil and then our new Bermuda sod. It's gonna be awesome. Follow along, and I hope you enjoy. We got our old sod removed. We got our new dirt coming in. We got everything nice and tilled out. Now we got our chocolate loam going in. Gonna lay it out nice and evenly for our new sod. We are here. It is my favorite part of the day. We are laying the sod. If you look behind me, we got D dropping in these pallets. It's gonna be nice and clean. So it's gonna be a good day. We are done with this sod installation here in Maynard. As you can see, we got all our grass installed. Nice, even, joints connected. For all your sod and landscape installation needs, click the number below. It's gonna be like somewhere. If it right here, click it. Cool. Give us a call. We'll be happy to help.